Today I'm making cookies. I'm starting with some butter, which in my case is actually a mixture of vegetable oils, but let's call it butter for simplicity, and some sugar, and then just mixing those together with a wooden spoon. Next I add oats into the mixture and then continue to mix. For the lemon flavour that I want, I'm adding some lemon flavoured whey protein powder. And at this point the mixture is going to look very dry, but these dry ingredients will continue to hydrate over time, so the dough is going to become a lot wetter than it actually looks. At this point I'm adding in some chopped pieces of candied ginger that I still have left over from when I made that last week. And then I'm just going to add some flour until the dough becomes the dryness that I want it to be at. When I'm happy with the dough, I'm just going to roll it in my hands into roughly cookie-shaped pieces and place onto a baking tray lined with baking paper. I place these into an oven that's preheated at 150 degrees Celsius. And they'll be cooked quite quickly, so I'll just be keeping an eye on them and watching until they start to brown. Once the cookies have finished cooking, I take them out, leave them on the tray for a few minutes, and then transfer onto a cooling rack. Thanks for watching today. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in a future video.